Hello, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Character AI, the applications has been not working. The searching, but any error problem. The error, sorry, something with wrong. Restarting the but any error problem. But any problem, the solution update this video and properly guideline updated to Creator AI, the tool and searching error problem. Resolve the issue step by step. The problem, the solution update. First of all, the open the Play Store and search Creator AI and searching the Creator AI, the updated new versions, the updated completed and second step, the press and selected app informations. First of all, permissions, all permissions, camera, phones, and notification pictures and videos, and allow. Second step, the storage and cache and storage and clear storage. The completed and second step, the internet speed testing and second step, the reset your devices. Reset your devices and open the application as we resolve the issues. Logging and solve the issue.